Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am outside of the salon right now and I'm about to go in and get my hair cut. I'm cutting off about 8 inches or so, and I'm going to be donating my hair to the Children with Hair Loss charity, and if you haven't heard of them before, I'll link their information down below. So I'm going to be donating at least 8 inches of my hair to make a wig for maybe a little girl that is in need of that. So I'm really excited to be doing that. So anyway, come along in the salon with me and we're just going to go ahead and do a haircut today, and I'm actually going to come back in a couple days and do some highlights. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Let's go.
Look wherever you're at. Okay, start cutting. Yeah, just right above, yeah. Yeah, that was good.
So here I am with my new hair. It's been a couple of weeks since I've gotten it cut and I am loving it so much. And the big reason why I decided to chop 9 inches of my hair off was to benefit the Children with Hair Loss charity. And if you haven't heard of them, you should look them up here on YouTube. There are a lot of videos with different kids who have actually received wigs through this charity, and most of them are due to just medical hair loss and especially alopecia. So when I saw some of these videos of these children who received wigs through this charity, it honestly broke my heart. These kids, you know, they have balding, like bald spots, or they're completely bald, and a lot of them have been bullied and made fun of, and it honestly just broke my heart because as a mom myself, I just couldn't imagine seeing my child go through something like that. So I wanted to do whatever I could to help these kids out. And if you decide to take the plunge and chop your hair too, I will link their information down below. All you have to do is go to their website and print out a form, and then you just need 8 inches of hair at a minimum to donate. But I really love this charity because they accept chemically treated hair, and mine is highlighted, so I finally found a charity that I can donate my hair to because a lot of them do not take color treated hair. It takes several of these to make just one wig for a child. So I really hope that maybe through this video we can make a big impact and give them as many donations as possible. So if you decide to chop off your hair and donate it, I would love for you to tag me in a picture, maybe on Instagram or Facebook, and maybe we can just connect over that and just really help out this charity. I think it's a great cause, and I hope that maybe you'll decide to do it too. So a while back, I posted on Instagram that I was in need of a mommy makeover because my hair, I hadn't had it done in so long, like months, you guys. I hadn't had my hair cut in months. I hadn't had my highlights done in months, not a pedicure, eyebrow wax, nothing. So I decided to go all in and kind of do a mommy makeover, and that's why I decided to chop my hair as well, just to have something fresh and fun for summer. But it's a lob haircut, if you're curious. So it's basically all one length with texture at the ends. And then also I got my hair highlighted again. It's actually called Baby Lights. I used to do a balayage, and I really just wanted a little something brighter at the root for summer, so I got Baby Lights, and it's just really thin weaves, so when your hair grows out, you're not going to have that strong line of demarcation, because who knows when I'll end up being able to go back to the salon again. So hopefully it'll last me for a while, but I'm loving it. I've been playing around with how I'm styling my new hair. So I got a new iron, I've gotten some new styling products, and once I kind of figure out what I like and what I don't like, I will be sharing a tutorial here on YouTube. So let me know if you're interested in that and comment down below. So after I got my hair done, I went and got myself a pedicure. I got my brows waxed. I also full on did a full face of makeup today, which does not happen all the time. So anyway, this has just been fun for me to do and just to feel like myself again and freshened up. I really hope that you enjoyed watching my total hair transformation and mommy makeover. And if you feel inspired by this video to do a little makeover on yourself, I really hope that you will tag me on social media, comment below. And I think it's just really great and special to feel good about yourself and feel good in your skin again, because as moms especially, we're last a lot of the times on our to-do list. So I'm encouraging you to bump yourself up there, do what makes you feel good. And thank you again so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that below so that you'll be alerted for all my new videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.